Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious Edo style banga soup with you guys. Let's dive into it. I'm using goat meat, shaki, and cow leg. Just added salt, onions, one bouillon cube, a little bit of water. Cover and let it cook for the first 10 minutes of the cooking. And I'm adding beef later, already cooked beef. And as that is busy, I'm going to be diluting my banga paste, palm nut paste. Bring it out of the can, add hot water to dilute it so that if there's any sand, it will just settle under. My meat has been cooking now for 10 minutes. Just pour in the banga paste. This banga soup came out so delicious. Add grounded pepper, grounded crayfish, pepper soup spice, stockfish, and my already cooked beef, negro pepper. This you can use for pepper soup as well. More pepper soup spice. Put it together, cover and cook till the oil is coming out on top. And I'm going to be adding croaker fish, so I'm going to clean and cut it off camera. My soup has been cooking. See, the oil is on top already. Just add the fish. Add dry prawns. Little bit of dry scent leaf. Put it together, cover and cook for 6 minutes. Taste before adding salt. Don't forget you already cooked your meat with salt. So I just added salt. If you are using native Maggi, you can as well add native Maggi. So I scoop out some of the oil because it's too much. If you are using this recipe, if you like a lot of oil in your banga soup, you don't have to do this. This step is completely optional. Now cook for 2 minutes. Soup is ready. Very easy to put together. And I hope you guys will try this recipe. And thank you very much for watching my videos, sharing and commenting. I so much appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to share.